Hi, and welcome to my presentation on Prestige Comfort by Hayden Owens. While working from home, do you ever find yourself leaving your workspace often or not having all the proper necessities needed? Or is your desk just not big enough to store all your needs? If so, I have the perfect product for you. Come see for yourself why our furniture truly gives you the most prestigious comfort. While observing lots of friends and family, I noticed that all of them had distractions while sitting at their desk. Either they needed to get up for food or water, they didn't have space to store all their proper necessities at their desk, or their back started to hurt from sitting in a chair for a long time. My product idea is a chair that has the ability to store all the proper necessities needed so that you can work from your desk without having to get up ever. On the top left, it shows the left armrest of the chair. There is a pencil holder, as well as lots of deep compartments to store whatever you need to be stored. On the right armrest, there's a cooler, which allows you to store drinks and all types of things that would go in a fridge, allowing you to not have to go into your kitchen for food and drinks. On the main chair image, you can see that on the back it says massage chair. On the back of the chair there will actually be a massage system, so that if your back starts to hurt while working from sitting at your desk, you will be able to turn on the massage chair, giving you lots of comfort. The seat will also have two power options, one which will be plugged in and wired. The other, which is a more expensive option, is to have two rechargeable battery packs that come with two extra batteries as long as a charging station. This allows you to use two battery packs at a time and have two on the charging station, so that the second the two battery packs die in the chair, you're able to swap them out and put them on the charger and take the batteries from the charger onto the chair, allowing your cooler to stay cool and all of your necessities to be easily accessible. Here's the final design that I came up with for the chair. On the left armrest, in the storage compartments, there will be pencil and pen holders as the original design, but there will also be a pencil sharpener along with storage. On the right side of the left armrest, there's also a massage chair panel that allows you to control the settings of the chair, such as turn the power on and switch the settings of which it will massage. On the bottom half, there's also extra storage if needed. On the main chair, it's the same design, except it shows that there's a height adjustment lever on the bottom of the chair, as well as a 360-degree rotation for your comfort. On the right armrest, on the left side, there will be a cooler, and on the right side, it'll be a snack department. On the left side, on the upper hand left side, it shows that there will be a shelf halfway between the cooler, allowing you more space within the cooler to store more food or drinks or whatever needed. And that is the final design for my chair. Thank you very much.